Okay, so picture this. You've been pulled over. You're at the side of the road, and there's a red and blue behind you. You pulled over just like you should. And the officer comes up to your car and says, hey, do you mind if I search your car? How should you answer that question? Say, my name is Travis Christiansen, greaterdesignlaw.com. You can reach me at 435-674-2564. Here's how you answer that question. As respectfully as you can, you tell the cop, no, never consent to the search of a car. I cannot tell you the times I've had clients busted and charged and arrested and eventually convicted of possession of something because they just forgot there was something in their back seat, forgot there was something in the center console, and they gave the cop permission to search. So you do not give permission to search. Now, can they search your car anyway? There are a couple of circumstances in which they can. The first is probable cause. So if you're driving erratically and they may suspect you of DUI, they can search your car if they think you might be of DUI to look for this stuff that's making you act intoxicated. Or they have probable cause that some other crime has been committed that they need to search. You can use your imagination on what those might be. Another example is the plain sight doctrine. As the cop is, sitting there looking in your window and he sees an open can of beer or an open bottle of booze, well, he's got probable cause in plain sight, reasonable suspicion a crime was committed. He can search your car. The last circumstance in which they can search your car is in an inventory search. So if there's some reason you have a warrant that is still outstanding or they've decided to arrest you for what was going on with your car and that led to you being pulled over, they can do an inventory search. Why can they do an inventory search? Well, it goes back years to where somebody accused some cops of stealing a lot of money out of their car. It wasn't in the car, but they thought they could make some hay of it. So the bottom line is so that cops can protect themselves, in theory, from that kind of a lawsuit, they are allowed to inventory your car and basically search it and find everything that's in there, and they make a list of it and they bag it up as potential evidence. That way, when you get your car back, if you're exonerated and you get your car back, they can't say that they stole anything from you. Now, really, they're looking for stuff. And inventory searches are an excuse for them to look for drugs, look for stolen merchandise, look for all kinds of stuff. But the law lets them do that to protect them from those lawsuits. So listen, if you think your car was searched without your permission, give us a call. Travis Christiansen, greaterdesignlaw.com. Our phone number is 435-674-2564. And we'll look at the facts of that situation. We'll watch the body cam because sometimes people consent by saying, oh, sure, I don't care. Cops are going to assume that's a yes. So if you've said anything that could be considered a yes, they're going to search your car. So remember, never consent to the search of the car, but there are ways that a cops can legally search your car even if you don't consent. So remember that. Always be courteous and respectful to cops. Don't fight them, but you don't have to agree to everything they ask you to do. Again, Travis Christiansen, greaterdesignlaw.com, 435-674-2564.